Welcome back to A-Gang Adventure. I wanted to start out with this beautiful drone shot of Half Moon Cay because it might be one of the last drone shots of the island. Carnival recently banned all drones from their ships. They're no longer allowing it. So it was kind of awesome that we were able to get this footage, and it really puts in perspective how beautiful this island is and kind of what goes on beyond just the beach. We are in Half Moon Cay, and we're gonna have a really fun beach day.
And we're gonna bring the GoPro with us so we can make more videos along the way.
Yes, we are. And we're gonna go swimming and play in the sand. I might send my drone up. Should be a lot of fun, right?
Yeah, and I'm gonna chase the drone.
You're gonna chase the drone?
Yes.
I hope not.
I just gotta run underneath it.
Do you think you can catch it?
I don't know.
I'm not gonna let you catch it. I'm gonna fly it over your head.
Wait, are you gonna land on my head?
No. So we're gonna finish getting ready here, and we'll catch up back with you all tonight or tomorrow morning. Let's get off the boat and figure out what we're doing first before you
go crazy.
Yeah. You're hot.
That's gonna be a good video.
That's going in the video, definitely.
I love this island.
Well, it's your paradise. It's just a beach.
I know. And a bar.
So we got off the ferry and we just had a short little walk, and then we came to what is the entrance of Half Moon Cay. It's like you're crossing through the threshold here when you go over this little drawbridge, and then you go into this little shopping center that Carnival has all these cool shops set up, mostly touristy stuff, but still neat. And the fountain, Teagan was super excited about the fountain. She wanted to throw coins into it. But we didn't actually have any coins because the only thing we brought was our cards. Since it was a Carnival owned island, that's the only thing we need was our room key. And then we went down this little path, and it opened up into what is the most beautiful beach I have seen in a very long time. Teagan said it best right there. This view is just amazing. One of my favorites. And we just happened to walk in, and right there was Teagan's friends that she made the day before on the boat. So she was ecstatic, and they got to play all day. you get off the boat a lot earlier than we did, you can actually grab one of those clamshells for free, and I highly suggest doing that if you can. It wasn't really an option for us because I really needed Teagan to sleep in. She had a long day the day before and needed to sleep, so we just decided to do a later morning and stay as long as we could on the beach. As we're walking down the beach here, there's the pirate ship right there that is actually a bar, and it's really neat. You can go up to the second floor and it's got a great view out, and you can have a few beverages up there and hang out. Really nice when it's not crowded. I had Teagan, so I didn't want to go up there. And then it's also kind of the focal point for the fun squad. They did a lot of cool games here, a lot of music was there, the DJ was there, just a really neat area. One thing to note is that Cheers package does not work on the island, so be careful of that. Teagan has always been our little mermaid. She's been jumping into pools since she's been about a year and a month old, so she was just in heaven here playing in the sand with her friends. But what was really underrated is this little water park area they had for kids. There was hardly anybody there, and she loved it.
Oh, the water's actually warm. I thought for sure it'd be freezing. Well, you getting sprayed? This would be a good place to wash off your feet. You are going there. Has it got a slide? Really? Oh yeah, it does. Oh, it's got one on that side too. Boom! So this is really cool, and there's chairs right on the other side that have been open all day. So you could totally let the kids play here and sit in the chairs and just watch them from there. Or you can stand up here and enjoy the view, and then watch the kids.
I wanted to jump back over here real quick because I wanted to show you that there's all kinds of things to rent over here that are really neat. The cabanas, the huge cabanas back there have air conditioning. They're awesome. A little expensive for us, so we didn't do it. But there's also aqua trikes and there's sailboats that you can rent. And we actually tried out the sailboat, and it was my first time on a sailboat like that, and we had an absolute blast.
So there is one of the employees there. I think he's helping out those people sailing. It's pretty cool. Stoic Ian. Sailor extraordinaire.
I feel like it's the wind is
Yeah.
You can feel it like whenever you're holding the tension.
It'll,
You can either lock it up in place and it'll be locked,
Yep.
and it'll pull back, or you can let it go just to let it grab more weight or loosen it, or even just
Gotcha.
like let it go fully and then it opens anyway. But you can feel whenever it grabs wind, those are perfect times to like maneuver. And it's real easy. Real easy, but as long as you catch the wind and you're paying attention when the wind's going, it's really just
control it.
I let Ian have a good little explanation there, and I was super nervous about sailing. I've never done it before, but it wasn't that hard. I figured it out, and I'm a numbers person. This isn't my forte, and I was still able to figure it out. So I would say give it a try if you have a chance. Was a time limit. We only had an hour, but it was pretty easy to figure out when it was time to head back in. If you're out there too long, they came and found you, so you didn't have to worry about it. But you could also hear the music and the announcements coming from the DJ. Overall, we loved Half Moon Cay. There's just so much to do there. There's so many trails. You can ride bikes, you could walk it, You could also ride horses if you wanted. There's all kinds of little excursions, but I will be honest with you, this is just one of the best beaches. The sand is like a powder. It's so fine and so soft. And I don't even like sand. And this is one of my favorite beaches to actually go on the beach and just enjoy. There's even a chapel if you want to get married. There's play sets. There's basketball courts and volleyball. But honestly, I wouldn't spend any of my time on that. I would just make this one awesome beach day. Bring the snorkel gear, find some cool animals, swim around, relax, and enjoy. I know I keep saying it over and over, but this really is the best beach we experienced. Teagan loved it. I had to drag her off of this beach. We were on the very last ferry back. We were coming back with crew members. We were that late coming back, which was kind of an interesting experience, but we just had a great day. Teagan did end up getting burnt pretty good. We put sunscreen on every hour, but with all the sand and all the water, it happened. She got a little burnt, but she still loved it and said it was worth it. So all the money I spent at Nassau to see the dolphins and to do the lagoon, and this was really just her favorite part of the trip. So just always keep in the back of your mind that it isn't how much money you spend, but the experiences you're getting. The only con, and I hesitate to call it a con because it more or less just kind of caught us off guard, was how long the tender took to leave the actual ship. We waited on there a while, and Teagan was super antsy and excited to get over to the beach, so it was a little bit hard for her to wait as long as we waited. But in the end, it worked out pretty well. And as always, thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and help us out as we get ready for our big summer adventure in New England camping.